Good afternoon, students. Welcome to the briefing session of your today's chapter, that is chapter number 4, more on LibreOffice Writer. Okay, so here I just want to start with the briefing of today's session. In today's chapter, what we are going to learn about is we are going to learn about the application software, the program, which is commonly basically known as word processor. What are word processor? These are the programs which we use for editing, typing and formatting the text. Now the text can be a word, can be sentence, a paragraph, but these programs are basically being used to perform editing, typing and formatting process on a text. So such kind of programs we basically use for writing essays, articles, applications. These word processing programs help us to type the text in a good or in a good looking manner or a good appearance manner. Okay, so word processor are the programs which we use for editing, typing and formatting a text. So word processor program which we are going to learn in our chapter is Office LibreWriter. This is the name of the word processor program which is available in Ubuntu ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. ये प्रोग्राम आपके Ubuntu ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम के साथ में अवेलेबल होता है. दिस इज द नेम ऑफ द वर्ड प्रोसेसर प्रोग्राम, दैट इज ऑफिस लिब्रे और लिब्रे ऑफिस राइटर भी कहते हैं. ओके, इट्स अ वर्ड प्रोसेसर प्रोग्राम. Basically it's a application software. Which type of application software? As I had mentioned, it's a general purpose application software. Now, as in the class itself, we had discussed about the two words. One is editing and the another one is formatting. Editing means the process by which we apply and change the meaning of the sentence. Sir has given you, if I write, this is an apple, this is an apple, and in the next, if I rubbed it out or if I delete apple and again I write, this is an orange. So this changes the meaning of the word. This is editing, जिसमें हम word या sentence का meaning change हो जाता है due to our change. जो हम change करते हैं, जो हम editing करते हैं, जो हम replacement करते हैं, उससे आपके sentence का meaning change हो जाता है. Appearance looks the same. देखिए दोनों एक जैसे ही दिख रहे हैं. Both are written in the same color or same font, but they are of different meaning. So we have done the editing work. This is editing. I would like to say this is editing. After editing, the steps which we can change the appearance, meaning change नहीं होता है, but sentence या word का looking, appearance change हो जाता है. Like हम उसका color change कर सकते हैं, sentence का, हम font change कर सकते हैं, style of writing, the text change कर सकते हैं, meaning change नहीं होगा, but appearance, looking of that text will get changed. Such steps are known as formatting. Editing में आपके word sentence का meaning change हो जाएगा, but in formatting the appearance or the looking of the sentence will get changed. Meaning doesn't get changed. So this chapter, that is more on LibreOffice Writer, deals on your formatting steps. What are the different formatting steps that we can apply? The sum of them, which we will discuss in the chapter reading session also, where I will show you one by one each and every formatting steps. Practically, I would be using MS Word. The word processor which I will be using is MS Word. The meaning and the application are same, but we have different operating system. Ubuntu I don't have right now, so I will be using MS Word word processor for briefing you out or for showing you, explaining the formatting step. So what are the formatting steps that we are going to talk about? We will be learn how we can find a text and how we can replace that text. Finding and replacing a text is important in word processor. If your file is very big, it consists of lots of pages, and if you are looking for a particular word, okay, it's a tedious job for you if you will read down the complete document and if you found the word. Rather, we can apply the find option from the edit menu, where we will type that particular word in the search box, and that word will be traced out, that word will be found in your text and it will be shown to you. आपको ढूंढने का जरूरत नहीं है. It will be shown, it will be searched by the computer itself. Even after finding that word, we can replace that word by using the particular. हम उस word को particular word से replace भी कर सकते हैं. So what will happen? आपके text में जहां जहां पर वो word, like I had given you in the example itself in this session, जहां जहां पे वो word नंदिनी था, वहां पे उन्होंने उसको replace करके second ने पवित्र से पवित्रा से change कर दिया. So that's find and replace. That's the first formatting part or first formatting style that we will be learning about. After that we have the alignments. बेटा alignment क्या होता है? It is the situating of your line from the margins. अगर आपका ये पेज है, on your page we have a left margin, we have a right margin. Okay, so sentences which I have written, हम margin तक नहीं जाते, we always leave some space on both the side so that our text should be looking good. So that's alignment. Okay, what is alignment? It is the positioning of the text on a page is alignment. आपका टेक्स्ट आप पेज पे लेफ्ट साइड की तरफ लिख रहे हैं, राइट साइड की तरफ लिख रहे हैं, सेंटर में लिख रहे हैं और जस्टिफाइड में लिख रहे हैं. This is the arrangement, positioning of your text on that page, which is known as alignment. We have 4 types of alignment to discuss: left, right, center, and justified. These are the 4 types of alignment which you will learn in the session. After that, we have indents. Indents are the space between the margins and the words. आपके word और margins के बीच में, आपके word और margin के बीच में space जो होता है, that's your indent. Indent is also of 4 types: before text, after text, first line, and automatic. We will be talking about them when we'll be doing the practical session. We can also change the space which is left out between the lines. हम चाहें तो लाइन के बीच में जो स्पेस हम लीव कर रहे हैं, we can increase them, we can decrease them also. Similarly in paragraphs also, हम paragraphs के बीच की spacing, that is the spacing between the 2 continuous paragraph, we can also change. हम paragraphs के बीच का space भी increase कर सकते हैं and decrease कर सकते हैं, which is your spacing, changing in spacing of lines and paragraph. After that, we have the orientation. Now, orientations means what? We will like to explain it out. Orientation is how you see your paper or how you see your page. Now, normally, if I have a page, I can show it like this. This is landscape view. Sorry, this is portrait view. This is portrait view in which we normally see a page. But if the same page is tilted like this is the landscape view. Portrait view is our normal view and the landscape view is when you put the page like this. If the page is now printed like this, that will be your landscape view. So that's the orientation. So आप पेज का ओरिएंटेशन भी चेंज कर सकते हैं. यू कैन चेंज द ओरिएंटेशन ऑफ पेज. यू कैन चेंज इट फ्रॉम पोर्ट्रेट टू लैंडस्केप. आप इसे एज पर योर रिक्वायरमेंट आप पोर्ट्रेट एंड लैंडस्केप दोनों व्यू में कर सकते हैं. एज आई हैव शोन यू, इफ योर पेज इज shown like this, if it is printed like this, this is the portrait view. If your page is printed like this, printing is like this, viewed like this, this is your landscape view. After the portrait and the landscape view, the next topic you will be having is insertion of table. You have seen that in many reports or in many articles, you would require tables to show the data. कभी कभी आपने देखा होगा इन योर बुक ऑल्सो, when there are certain contents like in your mathematics book, certain contents are explained in the form of paragraph, then there is a table which shows the different data. So in your word processor during your text document you can also insert tables. हम tables भी insert कर सकते हैं through which we can show our information or data. This is the another formatting process. After that we have headers and footers. You have seen that on certain documents a same content or the title is written on every page. हर पेज के ऊपर एक टाइटल हर पेज पे लिखा होता है और द इंफॉर्मेशन हर पेज पे डिस्प्लेड होता है. Similarly, we can also put that in your page on which you are working, जिस पेज पे आप वर्क कर रहे होते हैं, your typing or your writing starts from something like from this part. The top part which is left out is known as header, and the bottom part which is left out is your footer. Header is the top part of your page, footer is the bottom part of your page. Basically header में हम लोग title, name of the content or name of the project or the person who have made that project, basically वो नाम हम यहाँ पे show करते हैं. Whatever you have written in the header, header में आपने जो भी लिखा है, it will be shown on all the pages. हर पेज के header part में वो content automatically show होगा. Similarly, footer में हम basically आपके contact details और page numbers वगैरह insert करते हैं. Whatever you are putting up in the footer, again it will be also displayed on all the pages in the footer part. So header and footer आपके basically वो informations होते हैं जो आप हर पेज पे display करना चाहते हैं. That also we can do. Then we have previewing the document. Preview the document means beta before printing, because as I have told you, printing involves your pages, inks, electricity. So without having an idea, हम किसी पेज को print नहीं करते हैं. What we do is once the report or the text file is ready or the file is ready to print, what we do, we take a preview. Preview means the representation of the content on the page before printing. प्रिंट होने के बाद में भी वो वैसा ही शो होगा. सो आपको एक आइडिया मिल जाता है. यू गेट एन आइडिया हाउ द कंटेंट विल बी प्रिंटेड ऑन माय पेपर. सो प्रीव्यू ऑन योर स्क्रीन, व्हेन यू विल आस्क फॉर प्रीव्यू ऑन योर स्क्रीन, इट विल शो यू द पेज, द कंटेंट, एंड इट विल शो इन सच अ मैनर दैट इफ यू आर गोइंग टू प्रिंट दैट पेज, वो इसी तरीके से प्रिंट होकर आएगा. इन केस इफ देयर इज एनी प्रॉब्लम और एनी मिस्टेक, यू कैन चेंज दैट. समटाइम्स आपके कंटेंट जो होते हैं वो मार्जिन से बाहर चले जाते हैं और द सेम कंटेंट इज प्रिंटेड ऑन सम अदर पेज. सो ऐसे हालात में, इन दैट कंडीशन, अगर आप प्रिंट कर देते तो आपका पेपर वेस्ट होता, इंक वेस्ट होता. बट इफ यू गो फॉर द प्रीव्यू, यू कैन सी दैट प्रिंटिंग बिफोर इट इज एक्चुअली डन. आपके पेज पे प्रिंट होके आने से पहले आप एक आइडिया या प्रीव्यू देख सकते हैं कि वो कैसा प्रिंट होकर शो होगा. सो दैट्स प्रीव्यू. एंड देन वी हैव प्रिंटिंग द डॉक्यूमेंट. इट्स वेरी इजी बाय द यूज ऑफ प्रिंटर, बाय द शॉर्टकट प्रिंट Ctrl+P. We can give the command for printing, and the document or the content which you have typed, written on the page, will be printed on a piece of paper, on a hard copy, by using the printer. I hope the content is being clear to you, the briefing is clear to you. The next video will be have the chapter reading session along with the practical being implemented on MS Word application. I won't be using LibreOffice Writer, rather I will be using MS Word to show you, to brief you out the complete content. Please watch those videos. Kindly attempt the exercise part, will be shared later on. Thank you for today. Take care.